Finding the right kind of office space can be tough and confusing because the place you are going to choose might become the face of your company. It is going to make the first impression on your client. So, when you're taking a commercial property, you have to know every aspect of it. And we are exactly here to help you with the same. Hello, my name is Salman Sheikh, and I have over a decade of experience in handling high-value real estate deals, like build-to-suit for IT companies, hospitals, and schools. And through this series, I bring to you the most promising commercial spaces of Pune. This video is brought to you by Upscale Properties, the answer to all your commercial property needs. We are experts in commercial sales, commercial leasing, and pre-leased properties. If you're looking for a commercial space in Pune, please call on the number given on screen or simply fill the form given in the description below. Today, I bring to you one of the most impressive commercial space in Baner, Pune, Amar Madhuban Tech Park. A quick information about the developer. This project is a joint venture between Madhuban Landmarks and Amar Builders. This property is owned by Madhuban Landmarks, a company which started its journey in hospitality sector. It entered the real estate sector and soon were counted as one of the trustworthy developers of Pune. On the other hand, Amar Builders has developed this huge IT park. Being active since 30 years in real estate space, the company has left its mark in every corner of Pune by developing stylish spaces with top-notch quality, performing above customers' expectations and thereby building trust and long-lasting relationship is their USP. This partnership has given the rise to Amar Madhuban Tech Park, which even received the Reality Plus Award for the Best IT Project of the Year 2020. Sanctioned by Pune Municipal Corporation, this project is spread across a land parcel of 110,000 square feet. Without any further ado, let's dig into this property. This IT project is situated in Baner. Its location is perfect in a way that it conveniently connects to the IT hub of Baner as well as Hinjewadi. You can find the building of AMTP on a 60-meter wide Mumbai-Bangalore highway. Baner is one of the fastest growing locations in Pune and has metropolitan experience. Amar Madhuban Tech Park is situated on the opposite side of Audi showroom and is surrounded by Supreme Headquarters, Solitaire World, and the main office of technology consultant Bitwise. You must be well aware of the popularity of this locality. Now imagine setting up your office here. The impression of you on your clients will be next level. Let me know through comments which area according to you is the best to set up a business in Pune. Next, moving on to project specifications. The building has luxurious DGU glass walls. There are in total 11 floors, out of which 4 floors are dedicated to parking only. That's really a lot, isn't it? If we break it down further, there are a total of 38 conventional four-wheeler parking slots on all the floors. There is also a provision of multi-level parking system which allows you to accommodate more cars in lesser space. There are 507 slots of this kind. For two-wheelers, you get 1077 parking slots. The 4th floor also contains a single office space. Speaking about the common area, the external masonry is made of lightweight ACC blocks. The exclusive grand entrance lobby has an Italian marble flooring along with the tile and veneer cladding. Believe me, the lavish feel of these floors is really amazing. There are 8 Fugitic elevators, each with a capacity of 15 people, and a separate service lift also from Fugitic with a holding capacity of 24 people. The whole building is equipped with a top-class firefighting system. Along with the country yard system and wet risers, sprinklers are also provided in the common areas and offices. The water is stored considering the government guideline in overhead as well as underground water tanks. Smoke detectors are also installed in common areas throughout the building. No doubt, the safety has been given the topmost priority. For managing the waste, there is an organic waste compost system with a capacity of 300 kg per day. To summarize what I have said, if you decide to take a commercial space here, you and your employees get the lavish and luxurious feel that enhances the productivity as well as puts a strong impression on your client. This all with due importance to safety and environment friendly as well. Let's talk about the space of AMTP. The total slab area which is constructed is approximately 5 lakh square feet with a whooping efficiency of 71.4%. Around 4 lakh square feet of this constructed area is chargeable. There are 15 independent office space on 7 floors with a carpet area of 3 lakh square feet. There are 2 offices on each floor. Only the 4th floor, which also is used for parking, has 1 office space. There are 2 sizes in which office spaces are offered. Each floor has a smaller office with carpet area of approx 18,000 square feet and a bigger office with a carpet area of approx 23,000 square feet. The office space on the 4th floor has approx 32,000 square feet area. From these figures, you can easily tell that the office spaces provided in this building are big and spacious enough to carry out your business activity with ease and as well as to celebrate all the milestones your company achieves. The dimensions of one block of the office area is around 7.9 meters by 5.8 meters. The ceiling is 3.5 meters above the flooring. An area of approx 20 square feet for each 1000 square feet of carpet is reserved as UPS or critical area. Another noteworthy thing is that the floor plate is available in 57,000 square feet, 32,000 square feet and 25,000 square feet, which can be used separately or combined together as per the requirement. Speaking of safety, another unique feature of AMTP is that every office has the separate entry and fire exit. That means in case of accidental fires and other emergencies, the crowding and panic is easy to handle. This is really well thought planning by the developers. Usually, the building contains a common area for such emergencies. Each corner of the building reflects the care with which the building has been designed. Now let's see what makes AMTP a unique commercial space. The best part about AMTP is that it strives to adopt energy efficient ways. The project is also certified by IGBC and ECBC, proving that it has an energy efficient design. The water flow rates are maintained at the lower level according to the standards. The building is equipped with 7 recharge pits for servicing the purpose of water harvesting. The wastewater is treated using MBBR technology and has a capacity of managing 110 kiloliters per day. Besides, it also uses drip irrigation for watering the greens. The terrace has solar VP panels with a pergola grid which can generate 350 kilowatts of electricity power. Would you like your office to be environment friendly? Well, wait no more. AMTP has given you an opportunity to conduct business and contributing to the betterment of environment as well. If you're liking the project so far, then please give us a like as well so that it motivates us to bring such valuable information to you people. The construction of Amar Madhuban Tech Park has been completed as scheduled in December 2020 in spite of the pandemic. Well, I have tried my best to create a picture of your dream office. If you have any questions on AMTP, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number or fill the form given in the description box below or simply ask me in the comment section. I and my team will be more than happy to help you in every possible way. This was it for today. Hope you liked the video. I will be back with another fantastic property for you in the next video. Thank you for staying till the end. This is Salman Sheikh signing off.